Hello all of you beautiful people, hope you're all doing really good. This is just a quick video I wanted to make to remind you how special, how beautiful, how smart and intelligent you are. Don't listen to what people say. People will always try to put you down, people will always try to bring you down and tell you things like you're too fat, you're too skinny, you're too small, you're too big, you know, too dark and too white and everything. But it's a good thing, you know, like if everyone was the same, then what's the point? So always remember to be happy, you know, you're loved and you're blessed. Like, there's always going to be someone that will love you no matter why, and no matter what, and no matter what you do, you know. Life is a lesson we have to learn from. Like, we all make mistakes, we all make decisions that we're not proud of, but the decisions you've made have made you to who you are today, you know. Life gets hard, but you have to go through it, you know. You can't just give up, because what's the point? You know, death is the only guarantee we have in this life, and you don't know how life could work. You know, if you love someone, you need to tell them I love you, tell them how much they mean to you, because they might never know that, and there's always going to be people that will bring you down, you know, but that's fine. You know, that's okay, because the people that talk about you are the people that don't want to be talked about, you know. And never judge anyone, because you don't know what the person's been through. You know, you don't like to be judged, so don't judge people. And if you see someone making a mistake, someone messing up, you know, tell them. Tell them nicely, but tell them, make sure they know, you know, and if someone is actually succeeding, recognize it, you know, tell them how proud you are, because you know, they might not hear from anyone, and you might be the only person. You know, I find it really funny how people have such big egos, you know, to a point where no one cares. There's people dying every single day, like, and we don't care, and we moan about things that we don't have. What about the things that we do have, like a roof over our heads, you know, a bed, food, you know, water, you know, basic things like that. Some people don't have that. So I think we need to stop being ignorant, and you know, because the government and you know, everyone that's in charge of us doesn't care. They don't care, you know. Like, we are like sheep, we follow. Why do we follow? You know, we're being told we have to look a certain way, we have to act a certain way, you know, we have to be this, we have to be that, we have to believe in this God and this God. But at the end of the day, you have a choice of freedom, you know. Like, you are your own person, and if you don't know who you are, then no one will. You know, you can't expect your life to be a mess and then have someone magically come into your life and fix everything and put everything in its place. It doesn't work like that. You know, if you're not happy with yourself, if you're not happy within you, then you can't make someone else happy, you know. So just always remember to be happy, because it pays off, you know. Your law of attraction is a real thing, you know. What you think is what becomes, you know. Like everyone knows, hard work pays off. It comes with success. So if success was easy, then everyone would be, you know, well off, and everyone would be living in big houses and that. But I'm not saying that's what everyone's happiness is. You know, I think we all need to appreciate what we have today in order to receive. You know, don't be selfish. Help others. If you see someone needing help, you know. It will all come back, because karma, it's not only a bad thing, it can be a good thing as well, you know. And don't listen to what the society says, because society will bring you down. You know, be you, be happy, appreciate, love, you know, and don't idolize anyone. You know, all these celebrities you see, they're idiots. They sell their souls for money. Don't be like that, you know. Do things for the right reason. Even if you don't believe in God, that's fine, you know. No one's pushing you to. I know these days it's harder, because if you don't believe in this, you're nothing. But it's not true, you know. We all believe in something. We all believe in one, and that one is love, you know. I truly believe in God, because I've had a lot of personal experiences, if you wish, you know. But that's a different story. But just appreciate, you know, love, be happy, you know, love yourself, because you're beautiful, you're smart. You know, you're taken care of. Just live for today, because tomorrow is not guaranteed.